Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix CapCut export error. This tutorial will be very quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, if you want to export your video and it doesn't export, there's a few things that could be an issue. So first things first, you want to go ahead on CapCut right there at the top and click on settings. If you don't see this, you will see it here, CapCut menu, and again, click on settings. After that, this will pop up and you want to choose performance. On performance, you will see that speed up hardware encoding, the first option, which is to avoid exporting issues caused by incompatible drivers. We want to unselect it and then click save. After you have done that, you may want to try and export your files. If you will get a message, for example, just like this one, that means that you used a Pro feature or material and you need a CapCut Pro. All you have to do is basically select your element, which was a Pro. For example, I used a sticker, which is a Pro. All I have to do is delete it. And after that, if you will click export, you will see that you can go ahead and export your video. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.